Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know concerning this TX wireless lavalier microphone, and that is how to connect them using this receiver to your phone, how to monitor the sound being recorded, how to apply the noise cancellation effect, and lastly how to apply the reverb effect while recording the audio. So let's get to it, man. So the first thing, if you have a headset, you can plug it here. This is for monitoring the audio from the two microphone or whichever microphone that you'll have turned on. Then this is the type C charging port for this receiver. Then here we have the type C. This is what I'll use to connect to my phone. Then at the left side of the microphone we have this power button here, so we shall long press it to turn it on. So you can see the light is flashing, man. Then in order to connect it to this one, we have to long press this power button here. So we have a LED indicator here to show the connection status. So as you can see, this green light is blinking, and also this one will blink until they connect. When they connect, they'll stop flashing. So let's do it. Now the microphone has been connected to this receiver. Let's do some testing. Let me connect this to my phone using the type C port. I have now connected the receiver to my phone. So let's do some testing. Let's apply the noise cancellation effect. So to do that, this power button, you see we have power button stroke M. This M means mode. So the mode is set to just microphone. So to apply noise cancellation, just press once on this mode button. So I'll press it, and now let me do some testing. You can hear that we do not have noise in the sound being recorded, man. So let's now test the reverb effect. So to do that, just press once again until you see that this green light has moved to the last icon. So you see, let me do some testing, and you can hear that the voice being recorded has a reverb effect on it. So let me turn it off by just pressing it once. So let's turn on the second microphone. So the sound being recorded is now being recorded using the two microphone, and as you could hear, the voice being recorded is now on stereo mode. So that's it, man. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share the video for more videos to me, and thanks for watching.